You've seen these YouTube channels, right? Simple 2D cartoon-style videos with basic flat illustrations, raw economic data, and a cold deadpan voiceover explaining what it's really like to work in different industries. No face, no fancy animation, no million-dollar production setup. And they're making tens of thousands of dollars every single month. You want to build something exactly like this, but you don't know where to start. You don't want to show your face on camera, and you definitely don't want to spend thousands of dollars on expensive software just to get going. Good news, you don't need any of that. This is honestly the easiest high-paying niche on YouTube right now. And the reason it's so accessible is because the entire visual style is built on flat, static images. No animation, no motion graphics, no design degree required. Today, I'm going to walk you through the exact step-by-step process to build a channel like this from scratch using only two tools, ChatGPT and the Nano Banana 2 image model. That's it, nothing else. Let's get into it. Step 1. Building the brain of your channel. Here's something most people get wrong when they try to make this type of content. They think they can just write a generic essay about a career or industry and call it a video. That doesn't work. Nobody watches that, nobody shares that, and nobody comes back for more of that. What actually holds someone's attention for 15 minutes is a script that treats a real-world career like a brutal video game. Every level harder than the last, every stage revealing something the average person didn't know and genuinely didn't expect. To build that kind of script, you need to start with the right foundation.
Open ChatGPT and paste in the master ideation prompt. You'll find it in my Discord server linked in the description below. This prompt is specifically designed to make ChatGPT look at industries through a cold, clinical, economic lens. It doesn't produce generic career advice. It digs into raw data, hidden industry costs, structural traps that most workers never see coming, and the specific points where the majority of people either quit, burn out, or give up entirely. Once you paste it in, fill in the bracketed field with whatever industry or career you want to cover. If you don't have one in mind yet, just tell the AI to suggest industries that have a massive income gap between entry-level workers and people who eventually own their own business in that space. High turnover industries where most people never make it to the top work incredibly well for this format. ChatGPT will come back with a collection of targeted video concepts, complete with aggressive hooks and a full career progression breakdown from the very bottom to the very top. Go through the ideas and pick the one with the highest emotional stakes, the one that when you read it, you feel something: anger, curiosity, maybe even a little bit of dread. That emotional reaction is exactly what keeps viewers watching all the way through. Step 2. Writing your actual script. Now that you've got your concept locked in, it's time to turn it into a full written script. For that, copy the script writing prompt from Google Docs, paste it into ChatGPT, and before hitting enter, paste your topic in the given place and the words. Take your chosen idea and paste it into the master script writing prompt inside ChatGPT. This is a different prompt from the first one, and it's built to produce a very specific type of script. Here's what it does automatically. It locks in the tone, cold, direct, second-person perspective using the word you throughout, so the viewer feels like the video is speaking directly to their life. It weaves 3 separate layers of information seamlessly into the writing: macro-level statistics from places like the Bureau of Labor Statistics, micro-level financial details like the real costs of tools and hidden subscriptions most workers don't account for, and specific insider trade language that makes the content feel like it was written by someone who actually lived through it. And here's the part that makes this prompt really smart. It has a built-in checkpoint system. Instead of dumping the entire script out at once, which usually results in rushed writing and a weak ending, it only generates the first act and the first level before stopping. Read through what it gives you, check the pacing, make sure it feels right. Then simply type continue to unlock the next section. Keep doing this until the full script is written in controlled batches that maintain quality all the way to the finale. This one thing makes a huge difference in how the final video feels compared to channels that just prompt dump and edit whatever comes out. Step 3. Setting up your visual production system. To do that, go back to the Google Docs file and copy the visuals prompt. Then open ChatGPT and paste it into the chat. After you paste the prompt,
ChatGPT will ask which part of the script you want to generate visuals for. Since we're starting from the beginning, we'll generate the visuals for level 1. Copy the level 1 script and paste it into ChatGPT. Within a few seconds, it will generate the visual prompts for that section. As you can see, it has generated 20 detailed visual prompts that we'll use to create all the scenes for our story. Once you're done with level 1, simply repeat the same process for the remaining sections. Copy the level 2 script, paste it into ChatGPT, and generate the visual prompts for that part as well. Continue doing this until you have visual prompts for every section of your script. Step 4. Generating all your images. Open Google Flow and navigate to the Image Generation workspace. In the Model Selection menu, find and select Nano Banana 2. This is the specific model you want for this style of content. The reason is that Nano Banana 2 is exceptionally good at producing clean comic and vector-style line art without adding unwanted photographic textures or realistic shading that would completely ruin the flat 2D aesthetic you're going for. The default model won't give you the same look, so make sure you actually switch it before generating anything. Now, take the very first image prompt from your ChatGPT batch, paste it into the text-to-image field inside Google Flow, and hit Generate. Because the master prompt already locked in your character descriptions, clothing styles, and visual guidelines, what comes out will match the clinical webcomic look of these channels without you having to adjust or tweak anything manually. It just works. Download the image and repeat the exact same process for every remaining prompt in your batch. Once all 20 are done, go back to ChatGPT, type Continue, grab the next batch of 20, and keep generating until you have a complete set of images that covers your entire script from beginning to end. Yes, it takes a little while, but by the time you're done, you'll have a full visual storyboard for a 15-minute video made entirely from scratch without drawing a single thing yourself. Step 5. Putting everything together. This is actually the simplest part of the entire process. For the voiceover, I used Google Gemini TTS, and the best part is it's completely free. Once your voiceover is ready, open CapCut and import the audio into your timeline first. Next, start placing your generated images on the timeline, matching each image with the sentence being spoken in the voiceover. Make sure every visual appears at the exact moment it's being described to keep the storytelling smooth and engaging. Now, here's an important point. Since this style of video is built entirely using static 2D images, you don't need to animate them. There's no need to learn motion graphics or use complicated effects. Simply apply a slow zoom in, zoom out, or a gentle horizontal pan to each image. This is known as the Ken Burns effect, and you can apply it in CapCut with just a couple of clicks. That subtle movement is enough to make your visuals feel dynamic instead of completely static. Whenever your narration mentions an important number, statistic, or key point, add a clean, bold text overlay on the screen. These text highlights grab the viewer's attention and make the most important information easier to remember. Finally, add a subtle ambient background track. I recommend using a low-frequency cinematic synth drone. Keep the music soft and non-distracting so it enhances the mood without overpowering the narration. And that's it. Your video is now complete and ready to export.
You're 22 years old. It's 2:43 in the morning. 47 floors above Manhattan, almost every office light is off, except yours. The carpet smells faintly of coffee that's been reheated too many times. Someone abandoned half a protein bar on the corner of a Bloomberg terminal. Your inbox refreshes. Another email. Need comments before 7. You haven't seen sunlight since yesterday. Your family thinks you have a dream job. Your college friends think you're rich. Your base salary just crossed 6 figures. On paper, the math looks perfect. Then divide it by 95 hours a week. Subtract the weekends. Subtract the Uber rides home after the subway closes. Subtract the dry cleaning, the takeout meals, the prescription for acid reflux,